What this skier did when she was one decision away from quitting before winning India's first ever cross-country medal in skiing reveals why champions are made in their darkest moments. TN Bhavni grew up in coffee plantations in South India. Her parents had never seen snow in their lives, but Bhavni knew her calling. As a 19-year-old, inspired by the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, where the characters chased their spirited dreams, she knew the mountains were for her. But unlike other starry-eyed dreamers, Bhavni forged her dream into reality. She started by becoming a ski and mountaineering instructor in Kashmir. Her parents did their best to support her financially, but when that fell short, they offered their truest blessings. Bhavni embraced the support, but realized that if she wanted to make a mark, she would have to be with the best. So she left her job to pursue skiing full-time and flew to the Andes to surround herself with the pro skiers. She managed to secure sponsorships and traveled each month in search of snow from one hemisphere to another, gaining experience. But things were not always easy. At one point, she was stranded outside a domestic airport in Iceland at -17 degrees, crying, finding it difficult to bear the cold longer and on the verge of quitting. As she called home to tell her parents that she was done, her prefrontal cortex, the brain's decision-making center, fired, fueling an internal battle between being emotionally exhausted and focusing on her goals. But champions have a way of overriding their emotional discomfort and looking at the bigger picture. So Bhavni pushed on. Despite the limitations of snow in India, she worked on strength training, cycling, and improving her fitness during the summer. In September 2025, at the International Cross Country Race in Chile, her goal was simple: surround yourself with the best athletes, learn, and keep closing the gap. And while she did that step by step, grudging through the snow on her skis, Bhavni crossed the line to win India's first ever medal in an internationally recognized cross-country skiing event. She followed it up on day 2 by securing 2 bronze in 2 days, forging her path to the upcoming World Cup and a chance at qualification for the 2026 Winter Olympics.